Okay, in this video for the Walker WP645TS-HD combo receiver, we're going to talk a little bit about teletext, okay? In particular, digital teletext, okay? At some stage in the future, the old sort of teletext system is going to die, or it's going to be turned off, right? So to be able to get teletext in the future, you're going to need a thing in your box called MHEG5, okay? Which this particular box does have. So we're all probably familiar with the old teletext service, and it may or may not be important to people, but this is just to show them anyway. So if you're on RTE2 HD, for example, and you hit the text button, which is in the bottom left hand corner of your remote control, you can just see it loading up. This is what the new teletext, the digital teletext service looks like in Ireland. So it has an awful lot of the same content, but it's just more user friendly, and it is open in the future to a lot more interactive services and things like that. So, and also you can see, which is a very handy feature, when you're looking at teletext, you can still have a thumbnail in the right hand corner showing you what's going on in your TV program, which is nice and handy. So we'll just say, for example, we'll go down to sport. This is just using the arrow keys, okay? So we can see a preview there for the game tonight, Liverpool against Chelsea. So there you go, it's on at 8 o'clock tonight at Anfield. So, you know, in case you didn't know that already. So to simply go back to the home menu, you can see at the bottom there's shortcut keys. You just hit the red button, goes back. So it is fairly quick to load. I have seen some boxes that are a bit sluggish to do this, and in particular actually some Sairview TVs are, the only word I could use is appalling. They're just so slow to load the digital teletext, but this is actually quite zippy, so it's not too bad from that point of view. So simply, just to get out of it, all you have to do is hit the text button again. Hitting the exit button won't do anything. You need to hit the text button again and you're back out. Now the interesting thing about this particular box, the Walker WP645TS-HD combo, is that if you hit the opt button to go to the UK satellite channels, now just another reminder that you have to use the opt button in the bottom right hand corner of your remote control to switch between the Irish and the UK channels, okay? But when you're on the UK channels, I'll just see what channel I'm on there now actually. I'm on BBC Two Northern Ireland, okay? If you hit the text button, you can pull up the UK text, which is a very handy feature, okay? So we'll go into the sport there. Now this isn't as quick to load as the Irish one, funnily enough, but it does work and it will get there. You'll just have to have a little patience with it, but you'll see it is more sluggish than the Irish one. So we'll just go into the football there. So as you can see, it is slower, but that's just the way it is. But it's good that you can access that, so that's very handy. And also, if you I just hit the text button to get out there. On some channels you'll see on the UK channels, I should say, you'll see something maybe in the top right that says press the red button. And interestingly, if you press the red button, it does the exact same as pressing the text button. So that's a good little feature on the Walker WP645TS-HD combo receiver. So I'm just going to get out of that now by simply hitting the text button again. And I'm just back to normal TV. So that's basically a little bit about the digital teletext available on both the Sairview end of things and on the UK free-to-air channels on the Walker combo receiver.